all. I hope you all are doing well. So it's time for GK class. Today we will start the new chapter in GK, that is chapter number 10, vocabulary. Students, I want to tell you about what is vocabulary. All the words that somebody knows or that are used in a particular book or subject, that all are in the category of vocabulary. A vocabulary is also known as a word stock, or word stock is a set of familiar words within a person's language. A vocabulary usually developed with age serves as a useful and fundamental tool for communication and acquiring knowledge. So here let me start an exercise. Circle the correct words. So the question number 1 is someone who's shy and lacks confidence. The answer is defeatant. Question number 2, a tall and steep rock face or cliff. The answer is precipice. Question number 3, a person who is unfortunate. The answer is hopeless. Question number 4, someone who can easily be convinced to believe something. So the answer is gullible. Question number 5, a conclusion based on unreasonable argument. So the answer is fallacy. Question number 6, something that is memorable and unforgettable. The answer is indelible. Question number 7, not revealing one's thought or feelings readily. So the answer is reticent. Reticent is the answer. Question number 8, to form an opinion from the information that you have. So the answer is infer. Question number 9, to conform to the law or the rules. That is, the answer is legitimate. Question number 10, something that deserves hatred and contempt. So the answer is despreciable. So the answer is despreciable. So students, chapter number 10 is completed. No need to do the chapter in copy. You have to do the chapter only in book. So let's move to the another chapter, that is chapter number 11. So let me start the another chapter, that is chapter number 11, that is proverbs and phrases. Students, a proverb is most often and a phrase or saying that gives advice is an obscure way. The phrase usually has an allegorical type of message behind that when first heard may seem a little odd. Usually a proverb is very well known because of its popular use in colloquial language. So here are some exercises related to the topic. See, the exercise is exercise number A. Guess the popular phrases that have been described below. And question number 1, that is a final drinking tube. That is last straw. Question number 2, that is recapture one's respiration. That is catches one's breath. The answer is catch one's breath. Question number 3, confront the tone. The answer is face the music. Question number 4, pursue lines below one but above the other. So the answer is read between the lines. Question number 5, diversity is the seasoning of existence. So the answer is variety is the spice of life. So let's move to the another exercise, that is exercise number B. Given below are the explanations of some common proverbs. Can you guess them? So here exercise number 1, you can make it easy for someone to do something but you cannot force them to do it. So the answer is you can lead a horse to water but you cannot make it drink. Question number 2, when you are visiting another place you should follow the customs of the people in that place. So the answer is when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Question number 3 is do not be too confident of success till you actually achieve it because things may still go wrong. So here the answer is do not count your chickens before they are hatched. Question number 4, foolish people are usually the ones who talk the most and the loudest. So the answer is empty vessel make the most noise. Question number 5, Avoid bringing up things that happened in the past so as to prevent further problems. So, let sleeping dogs lie. See, students, some proverb and phrase have interesting origins. Put to the acid test in the phrase that means to put through a sure test. In California, gold rush is the second half of the 19th century. Prospects and dealers used a mixture of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid to ascertain whether a metal was gold or not. This was the acid test. So students, let's move to the another chapter, that is chapter number 12. Pick the correct option. So here the exercise is here. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Did you remember dash the parcels? So the answer is option number A, to post. Question number 2. Nothing happened at the meeting dash it. So the answer is did. C option, did. Question number 3. You won't forget to email the files dash. So the answer is will you. Question number 4. The fish is dash delicious. So the answer is really. Option number A. Question number 5. I cannot find my keys. So the answer is option number B, anywhere. Question number 6. I would rather you dash to make to me like that in front of the customer. Again I am repeating. Question number 6. I would rather you dash to me like that in front of the customer. So the answer is option number B, did not speak. Question number 7. The court dash him to 5 years in prison. So the answer is sentenced. Question number 8. Question number 8. Can you tell me when dash living? So the answer is the train is. Question number 9. It is about time we dash. It is nearly midnight. So the answer is left. So the answer is left. Like it is about time we left. It is nearly midnight. Question number 10. He has been working there dash 10 years. So the answer is 4. So students, we have completed chapter number 10, 11 and 12. So you all have to fill your book. Okay, no need to do these exercises in your copy. You all have to do these exercises only in book. Okay, till then, good day and enjoy your day.